Hello all, I am Shilpa Pimpalkar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Engineering at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. I welcome you all for the session of Database Management Systems. In this session, we'll see JDBC connectivity using Eclipse. We'll see steps for Java database connectivity using Eclipse. If you'll open Eclipse workspace, you'll find here File tab. Click on New, select Project, click on Java Project. Then it will ask you to enter the project name. Enter project name for connectivity demo. So I'm giving here name connectivity demo. Click on Finish. You'll see here in Project Explorer, connection demo project is added, which we have recently created. Right click that project. You'll find here option build path. Click on configure build path. You need to add here external jar file. Click on add external jars. I have already downloaded jar file in D drive. I'm selecting that jar file. MySQL connector Java jar file I'm selecting. Open that file. Click on apply and close. Now right click on connection demo project. Click on new. Click on class. Here you need to give a name of a class. You can give here MySQL connection. Now you'll see here this MySQL connection.java file is added in Project Explorer. We'll start importing supporting packages. So we'll include import java.sql.star. Then we'll start registering driver class. So for that we'll write first a main method. In main method we are going to write a code for registering driver class. So we are writing here in main method, this is a com.mysql.cj.jdbc driver for registering driver class. We are setting up initial credentials for database connectivity. Next, we are creating the object of statement class, which is required for execution of the query. Here we are demonstrating use of select star from EMP. We are going to retrieve from the EMP table all the records and we want to display it on console. Here I'll end this try block. I'll add here catch block which catches exception. So catch. Now our code is ready for execution. See here, if you'll note, in initial credentials for database connectivity, here I have given database name as a demo and my table name is EMP. So for running this code, prerequisite is you need to create a database with name demo and you need to create a table with name EMP. I'll run this code. The code is getting executed and we can see the output in console window. So here is the output, these Smita, Shilpa, Sheetal, and these names and IDs are getting displayed from EMP table. Now I'll show you contents of the table from MySQL command line. I have opened here my SQL command line client where I can run query select star from EMP. It will show you records from EMP table. I'm trying to fetch EID and ENAME from this table into Java using JDBC connectivity. So our code is working correctly for JDBC connectivity for retrieval of records from EMP table. So in this session, we have seen how to connect to MySQL database using Eclipse with JDBC driver. We have seen demonstration of a retrieval of records from the EMP table, which is created using MySQL. Thank you for watching the video.